die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my first impressions of and unboxing Ferrari Red, an eau de toilette for men. But before I unbox this, I just want to mention my fragrance of the day, and that is Calvin Klein's Euphoria Intense for Men. And let me tell you right now, the amount of compliments I received for this morning blew me away. I'm talking, I don't know, it was about 10 in less than half an hour. People said I smelled delicious and they couldn't stop smelling me. I'm pretty happy with this one, so as far as I'm concerned, the $70 was worth it. Online, you can find it a little lower in price than that, but to get it locally, it's not too bad to support a local business. And here is the bottle. It's spicy, warm, woody, but there is like a touch of freshness to it as well. I didn't expect this, but oud is an actual listed note here. And I think that's what gives it the longevity and the staying power. It has to be that oud, but it's very mainstream in its presentation, so don't go into this thinking it's going to be animalic or something that's going to offend people, because this really won't. This is a very mainstream, mass appealing, spicy, woody, warm scent. If you can find this cheap, definitely pick this one up. It got me a lot of great compliments today. And I know a lot of people on YouTube, compliments is what it's all about. So if you want compliments, this is the fragrance to try. And it absolutely demolishes the original. It's no contest. Now, Ferrari Red. I used to own Ferrari Black, and from memory that was sort of like aromatic, fresh, a little sweet. It was decent, but I ended up selling it for like $30 along with Police to be King from memory. So packaging and presentation, Ferrari badge right there. It's officially licensed. I got high hopes for this one. I've read really good things about Ferrari leather essence, but I haven't really read anything about this one. Here's the box without the cellophane. And let's have a look at it. I should also mention that I paid $25 Australian for this, or $24.99. It's been sitting around for a while. Presentation is nice. It's got that Ferrari red look, the Ferrari logo, emblem, badge, whatever you want to call it. Nothing out of the atomizer. Let's have a look. Atomizer is solid. Warm, a little sweet, and soapy. There's like a lavender note in this that reminds me of Dracar Noir a little bit. It's like take Dracar Noir, make it a little more modern, add some of that modern fruity sweetness to it, and then you've got a pretty good idea of what this smells like. It has the aromatic nature of Dracar Noir, but it doesn't smell like it's from the 1980s. It definitely smells like a 2000s fragrance. But I do get like this laundry detergent vibe at the end, and it's very prominent. It's like the most prominent standout feature of this. I think it smells really good. For $25 for 125 ml, you can do a lot worse than this. I know, like, that's pretty much my go-to phrase on this channel. You know, you can do a lot worse than this, and for 25 bucks, you absolutely can. I think this smells very nice. It's the laundry detergent, like, clean clothes vibe at the end of the fragrance that really is selling this one for me. Like, because there's nothing that smells better than just clean clothes. Like, it doesn't matter what fragrance you're wearing, except maybe like Ombre Leather by Tom Ford, but that's, you know, that's out of most people's price range. But at $25, this is like a way better, classier version of Nautica Classic, because that's got that soapy, clean clothes vibe as well. I can already tell this is going to perform better than that. Yeah, definitely recommend this one. If you've ever worn Ferrari Red before, let me know in the comments below. This is just like a classic men's cheapie, and I might even add this to my rotation because I love that clean clothes smell. Anyways, until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.